When we think about major cyber attacks, we usually picture elaborate hacking syndicates breaking through firewalls. But the truth is much simpler. Most breaches happen because someone clicked the wrong link or used a weak password. The security perimeter now centers on the user's identity. Okta manages this vulnerability by serving as the digital bouncer for your entire organization. In this video, we're going to decode the Okta ecosystem. We'll translate the acronyms, map out the core product architecture, and break down exactly how the pricing tiers work. By the end of this, you'll see how proper identity management turns a potential security risk into a streamlined operational advantage. Okta is what we call an identity as a service provider, or IDaaS. Think of them as a highly efficient digital bouncer. They verify exactly who you are and then automatically grant you access to the specific rooms you're allowed to enter. Because every single login goes through this system, reliability is critical. Okta guarantees a service-level agreement, or SLA, of 99.99% uptime. Near-perfect availability is the baseline requirement for their platform, because a login failure stops the entire company. Looking at this platform overview, we see they rely on the Okta Integration Network to make that access work across your whole tech stack. This is a library of over 8,200 pre-built connections to other apps. It functions like a universal remote, letting Okta talk instantly to tools like Slack, Salesforce, or Microsoft 365. To understand how Okta organizes all these tools, you need to know that their entire architecture is split right down the middle, based on who is actually logging in. The first half is the Workforce Identity Cloud, or WIC. This is the secure, strictly controlled backend system built exclusively for your internal employees. The other half is the Customer Identity Cloud, or CIC. This side faces the public. It's the smooth, blanded front door experience, designed specifically for your external customers. These are entirely different environments. Attempting to use internal employee tools to manage external customer logins is a common architectural mistake that creates friction and security gaps. Let's look closer at the Workforce Identity Cloud. For an IT department, this is the master control panel. It manages an employee's access from their very first day on the job until the day they leave. It starts with the Universal Directory, which is a single, organized list of every employee. From there, single sign-on allows that employee to log in just once to access all their approved daily tools. If an employee usually logs in from an office in Chicago, but suddenly tries to access a file from another country, the system notices. That's adaptive multi-factor authentication. It uses behavioral context to trigger extra security checks only when something looks unusual. When an employee gets promoted or eventually leaves the company, Lifecycle management and identity governance automate the updates across every connected account. Access is instantly granted when needed and immediately cut off when it isn't. WIC also includes advanced tools like device access and API access management. These ensure that even high-level administrators with wide-reaching permissions can't abuse the system or bypass standard security rules. Understanding these tools conceptually is step one, but configuring them requires practice. If you want to bridge the gap between high-level theory and actual engineering, check out the Ask Me Identity training program linked in the description below. Altogether, the WIC portfolio effectively puts your internal IT operations and security protocols on a highly secure autopilot. Now let's pivot to the Customer Identity Cloud, which operates under the Auth0 brand. Unlike the IT-focused workforce tools, CIC is a developer toolkit designed to make customer logins as smooth as possible. Features like universal login and passwordless authentication allow developers to offer quick access using email links, biometrics, or SMS. This solves the universal frustration of forgotten passwords for the end user. For highly regulated fields like banking or healthcare, CIC offers fine-grained authorization and attack protection. These tools ensure developers meet strict compliance standards without having to build custom security measures from scratch. Beyond the split between employees and customers, Okta provides cross-cutting capabilities. These are advanced features that sit like an umbrella over both the workforce and customer clouds. A prime example is Okta for AI agents. As companies start delegating complex tasks to artificial intelligence, this tool sets strict boundaries, ensuring an AI assistant can only access the specific data it actually needs to perform a task. Another is Identity Security Posture Management, or ISPM. This acts as a continuous radar, quietly scanning your entire identity infrastructure to flag misconfigurations or vulnerabilities before they are exploited. While the Customer Identity Cloud handles the user experience, these cross-cutting AI tools ensure the entire ecosystem stays silently protected from emerging threats. To make all of this accessible, Okta's pricing philosophy uses a scalable tier system. You're charged per user, per month, so costs only grow as your team does. This section outlines the pricing tiers for the Workforce Identity product. The starter tier costs $6 a month per user and covers the foundational elements, single sign-on and the universal directory. The Core Essentials tier at $14 and the Essentials tier at $17 add necessary security and automation features, such as adaptive MFA and full lifecycle management. Finally, the Professional and Enterprise tiers unlock advanced capabilities like device access, comprehensive API management, and full ISPM integrations. This tiered approach allows you to purchase the features that match your current threat level and upgrade as your organization scales. We've now mapped out the foundational elements of the platform, the uptime SLA, the integration network, and the split between workforce and customer clouds. The pricing structure scales alongside your organization, providing a clear path from basic access to enterprise-grade security. If you're ready to take these concepts and start building actual identity solutions, click the link to join the Ask Me Identity training program. We'll walk you through the precise configurations step by step. Establishing a robust identity system secures the foundation of a digital business and prepares your organization for a secure future.